Today, I'm back at one of my favorite places on the island of Capri. I'm at Michel'angelo Capri, the home of Holly and Gianluca, and I'm in their beautiful kitchen in the garden. And I was here a year ago for vacation and I took a class and I fell in love right away and I knew that I wanted to bring other people back. So today you're with me while Gianluca and I are gonna make one of the most delicious cakes of the island. It is the Torta Caprese al Limone and it is the cake of his mother and he is sharing the recipe with us today. It's gonna be delicious. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. All right. Gianluca is going to show me how to make Torta Caprese al Limone.
Al limone.
Al limone. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
With coffee. Then
Alla torta
limoncello.
caprese. Today is prepared for you the torta caprese al limone. You start with the butter and the sugar.
Okay.
Okay, this is the cake. You have 7 ingredients. The basic is butter and the sugar, white almonds,
Okay.
white chocolate, eggs, lemon zest, and limoncello. This is important. Okay, you start with the mixer.
Okay.
For 7 minutes, butter and sugar. Okay, this time make the toasting the white almond. You want to try?
Yeah.
It's white with no skin because it's toasting before. Okay, one big job. Separate the eggs. Okay, now just let mix the yolks, and now you start with the whisk. Okay, now you start with the lemon zest in white chocolate. This you make 2 lemon.
Oh, it smells so good.
You try and
Oh yeah, we'll switch.
with me.
Ooh, beautiful.
Sugar and the butter is make very creamy, and then this time it takes inside the egg yolks. Now you start another 2-minute mixer. Okay, almonds toasting is
Oh,
ready.
they smell so good.
Yeah. Now we have one job for just mix lemon and the white chocolate, let infuse, and this is a very important time for tasting.
Yum.
Bene?
Bene.
Butter, sugar, yolks. Now time for almonds. Time for another 2 minutes. Mix. Here. Open. And in the summer. It's important is no liquid.
We're getting a nice meringue. No limoncello yet.
After 1 plate, we have limoncello.
Yes.
Okay, butter, sugar, yolks, almonds. Now time for the white chocolate, lemon zest, and limoncello. I infuse the lemon in white chocolate and take limoncello inside. You take the white chocolate inside.
Okay, I'll let you finish the meringue.
Notes.
You have a machine can do this part.
Okay, now preheat the oven 365 Fahrenheit.
Okay.
And make the cake after the white eggs. Make the cake for 1 hour inside. Okay, when no liquid, it's good. Okay, this is the final. Butter, sugar, egg yolks, almonds, white chocolate with lemon zest and limoncello. And the time for fold
Okay.
with white eggs. I put just a little inside and after you continue.
I'm doing this part with love from the heart. We're gonna put the bowl right here.
You take bowl.
And we're going to fold with love.
Piano piano.
Getting close.
It's good.
You're happy?
It's very happy.
Get the air bubbles out.
Exactly. Bubbles go outside.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Torta Caprese al Limone ready. After cooked, is make cold and then now.
Cool completely.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Sugar in top. And voila.
That's just low-key fancy. I know it's gonna be delicious.
You try the torta caprese al limone